Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Another dining set, 8-seater, round dining and full solid teak wood in light walnut finish. This one is going to US, to Georgia, and in this video, I'll try and explain the concept of dining. The maximum I know, जो भी मुझे मालूम है डाइनिंग सेट्स के बारे में, I'll try and explain that. Whenever you go to buy a dining set, जब भी आप डाइनिंग सेट खरीदने जा रहे हैं, दो तीन चीज़ें दिमाग में होती हैं कि हमें क्या करना है. या तो हमें रेक्टेंगुलर चाहिए, एक पर्टिकुलर स्पेस के लिए चाहिए, कितने सीटर चाहिए, और हमें टॉप कैसे चाहिए, राउंड में चाहिए, इसका टॉप ग्लास का होना है, मार्बल होना है, या कुछ और. There are few things in mind. Let me explain the best, my level best, what I know about this. First of all, the dinings are either rectangular or they are round. I'm considering square also in the rectangular shape because square is generally for 4-seater, and similar goes for round also. Round is 4, 6 or 8 like this, and rectangular covers the oval part also because only the sides are oval, rest is like rectangular shape. The other thing about the dining design is, the table design is, either they are with the legs, 4 legs, legs on all sides, or with a pillar. या तो 4 टांग वाला होगा या pillar design होगा. Number of pillars depend करते हैं size पे. So you have 4-seater, 6-seater, 8-seater, or bigger than that, it can be 10, 12, 18-seater, whatever size you require. Depending on that, the legs are increased. Now, in a round dining, mostly the concept that works is the pillar shape. Just like this one, I'll show you in a short while, this design from the bottom as well, from underneath the top. The pillar can have supports or some other design. I've shown you earlier in several round dinings I've shown earlier. That designs you can see, they have a pillar again, and that goes with a support kind of thing. But this one has got a very heavy support, so that doesn't need any more support on the sides. Now about the top part. In this one, you can see it has got nice heavy carving on the top. And it's a complete carved unit. When you have this type of heavy carved unit, it requires a glass on top of it. इसके ऊपर आपको एक glass चाहिए. उस glass से इसका पूरा level cover हो जाएगा, and then it's ready for use. Glass, marble, onyx, granite, mirrors, these are fragile items. बहुत नाजुक होती हैं, and no transporter takes insurance or guarantee of delivering these items perfectly. कोई भी insurance वाला, कोई भी transporter जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेता इन चीज़ों की कि वो उसको बिना डैमेज के डिलीवर कर देंगे, no matter how good the packing is. Generally, if you have seen the people who transport glasses or fragile items, they transport only those items in particular vehicle or that container. उसी vehicle में वही सामान हो तो उन्हें मालूम है कैसे करना है, but our stuff is heavy stuff, it's wood, and with this glass and these items tends to get broken easily. So that's why we don't give these items, and the best part is these are mostly available everywhere across the globe. So you can get it locally and place on it. Not a big deal, and it saves all the hassle of breakage and this issue. Now, if you want marble top or onyx top or granite top, we can provide you either a plain structure, flat, so you can place on it, or we can provide you a strip design, so it has support on all the sides, and simply onyx, granite or marble, whatever you want can be placed on it. Side की पट्टी का डिजाइन हम प्रोवाइड कर देंगे, आप उसके ऊपर रखिए, and it's fine to work. This is how the concept of dining works. Solid wood में है, everything that you see is teak wood, and a nice heavy design. Dining में इतना ही होता है. This is all about dining, the design part and the top part. Now coming on to the chair. This chair I've shown you earlier several times, in fact, because this is one of our most liked designs. It has got a nice curve at the back, and I've shown you this in multiple colors earlier, in teak finish, I think in golden also. I've shown the same design. And if you have a look on this one, a nice curve like this, curve on the back, and it's double carved. carving from the front as well carving from the back, and double carving works fine in dinings also. Double carving का concept मैंने पहले भी explain किया है. Let me explain it one more time. When you have carving on the front as well back of the unit, both sides, is called double carving. Very simple. Front and back, double carving. But how it works? Dinings are generally placed in a place where you have access from all the sides, and it's mostly visible from all the sides. I can see it from here, from this side or this side, because you have to go inside and look at it and sit on it. So carving on both sides looks quite good. The back, simple back also looks good, but again that depends on design to design, how the design is. But double carving works fine in dinings mostly. The other thing about the chair could be cushion on both sides or cushion on only the seat. Here we have back as a wood structure. Back में पूरा wood है, seat में cushion है. काफी लोग कहते हैं कि हमें seat पर भी cushion नहीं चाहिए. So if you don't want the cushion on the seat, we can provide you wooden structure as well. Again, depends on your choice. Fabric colors, unit colors, polished colors are completely client's choice. We make it as per your choice, nothing from our side. As I mentioned, round dinings generally have a pillar concept. So is this one. You can see a pillar at the bottom of this. It's a very heavy, sturdy, solid wood pillar. This is not hollow from the middle. It's a sturdy unit, and you can see how nicely it's supporting the entire structure. The unit is shipped in two parts, the top and the base separate, and we have, you can see the bolts underneath. It goes in the slots and bolts are tightened, and this works fine. बहुत सिंपल इंस्टॉलेशन होती है. पिलर रखना है, पिलर के ऊपर स्लॉट में टॉप पार्ट जाएगा और बोल्ट टाइट हो जाएंगे. इंस्टॉलेशन कंप्लीट. 15-20 मिनट्स, दो आदमी इंस्टॉल कर लेंगे. चेयर प्री असेंबल्ड आती है, सिर्फ लगानी है. Installation, easy installation, and can be done at any place without the help of experts also. Now this dining is 6 feet diameter for the 8 chair concept. Generally we provide 5 or 5.5 feet for 6 seater for comfortable sitting. 6 feet works fine with this kind of sets. Bigger tables generally are not preferred. I'll show you why. Here I'm sitting and I'm sitting comfortably. The maximum area I can reach is this area. From here to this area, maximum 2 feet area I can access. This middle area that you see here, this middle area is generally not usable. Round tables में middle area usable नहीं होता generally अगर बड़े table use करते हैं. इसीलिए हम बड़े dinings में round table का concept suggest नहीं करते. So if you are looking for bigger dining sets like this, you can go for a rectangular or some other shape, but round tables would be too big to use this kind of set. These things you can consider when you are placing the order for your dining. Still, if you have any question, अगर इसके बाद भी कोई question आपका है, colors, fabrics आपकी choice के, design आपकी पसंद का, chair इसकी या और किसी dining की आपको set करनी है, table ये चाहिए, chair किसी और design की पसंद आ रही है, cushion का मैंने बता दिया, आप change करना चाहते हैं तो या फिर आपको seat चाहिए खाली, as per your wish, we can make it and deliver anywhere. This one is going to Georgia, US. If you want anywhere in India or out of India, we can do that for you. Let us know what you want, we can make that and deliver to your place. For more videos or you want to see more stuff, you can visit our website artisanwoods.com. We have sections for everything. There you can see what we have done. A lot of work has already been done. This is the original item, real item. I'm not showing just the pics, not scrolling just the pictures. असली आइटम दिखा रहा हूँ, रियल आइटम दिखा रहा हूँ. और ये easy काम नहीं है. This is not easy work. It takes a lot of time to create this unit. 2 months just to create the dining only. And that's why our work is not cheap. We are not making cheap furniture. For pricing, you can contact us. We don't give pricing in the videos because this is not a regular stuff. We make it as per your requirement. For price indication, you can visit our website and there are a lot of prices mentioned there. You can see more videos on YouTube, and if you have any questions, any comments, please let us know. We'll be happy to give you the details. If you like this, please give a like. That really boosts our morale. Thank you so much. Thank you. Dhanyavad.